Digital solutions for the healthcare sector. The following two example apps demonstrate what is possible using our platform: a person under investigation and a health evaluation form. The PUI form is targeted towards medical staff, allowing the capture of extensive information from a patient, potentially or already diagnosed with a known infectious disease, which can be searched for and selected from a pre-populated list. Upon selecting, hidden fields are pre-populated in the background based off the user's selection, and in this case, launching the device's native browser, displaying the CDC reference for the disease selected, and jumping back into the form using the device's default navigational buttons to fill out more information in text, numeric, and multiple choice options, either as drop-downs, a full list of choices, or an autocomplete search. Also, most choices fields have the option Other. When this is available, this dynamically drives the visibility of subsequent fields, allowing the user to manually enter in a value. And as mentioned earlier, this form is pretty extensive, allowing the user to capture detailed information across multiple pages, using various different field types, allowing them to do so, coupled with choices fields, allowing for multiple selections, which can generate a list displayed in the output. Proceeding to the next page is an example of repeatable data capture, and in this case, the travel history of the patient, which are displayed as rows back on the page view, allowing for a high-level view of all entries made that can be updated by simply selecting the entry. Another option for the form designer is to present multiple options in the form of buttons, currently allowing for the customization of up to 5 buttons to be displayed for the user to simply select and move on. Moving rapidly through the form, demonstrating more repeatable captured data. And on the last page, allowing the user to capture any final information and sign off. Upon submitting, a fully customized PDF can be generated and emailed to respective parties, or the information can be pushed through to your external system online, whether it be Microsoft SQL or your own internet accessible data storage platform. Moving on to the health evaluation, which ideally could be completed by a patient prior to a consultation, providing the physician with information beforehand, allowing the user to fill out basic information, and being guided by placeholder text on how to answer questions correctly. And as mentioned before, the ability to customize the buttons and the color that displays upon selecting can really give your forms that personal touch. Forms can be designed in numerous ways, depending on the type of information that needs to be captured, whether it's text, numeric, date and time, or dynamically displaying static lists, or driven from data sources that are pulling information from external systems where you store your main data. Designing forms with the various field types and their configurations available to you, allowing for solutions to be created with the end user's experience in mind, allowing for forms to not only be rapidly deployed but filled out too. Depending on certain scenarios, you might want to have the ability to hide or display certain additional information based on what the user selected. This is very possible too. If you need to actually select more than one option from a list of options, put information on separate lines within a text box. The options are entirely up to you. As I'm sure you've seen by now, forms can be quite lengthy or brief and short, have multiple choice options for the user to simplify their experience, or text boxes with placeholder information guiding them on how to answer correctly. Moving on to the next page Again, the user is presented with multiple choice options based on the question, allowing them to select the most appropriate option quickly as possible and reaching the end of completing a lengthy form. And if the user would like an emailed copy of the results sent to them, this is very possible with our email connectors that can be sent to a static list of addresses or addresses captured within an actual form. The person under investigation and health evaluation forms are merely examples of what is possible using our platform and can be easily customized, edited, and updated to suit a specific practice standard. I hope this video has helped demonstrate how versatile our platform is. And if you're looking to rapidly create real-world applications, integrate with external systems, implement workflows and dispatch jobs, increase overall productivity and simplify your current business processes, I encourage you to sign up for a no obligations free trial or get in touch for further details.